Ooh, thank you, Santa. Hiya, Joe and Matt. I've got my grown-up kids coming home for Christmas. I want to be welcoming, but don't want to overdo it. How can I say that I just love having them all home?
It's that time of year. The pantry raiders are coming home.
And the fridge is about to be opened every 2 minutes.
Maybe they've travelled from the other side of the world or just from their bedroom to the living room. Regardless, this calls for something special.
Ooh.
Ever tried a mince pie with limoncello?
Now that sounds proper fancy.
When they go digging for the usual leftovers, surprise them with these instead. A delicious twist on a classic.
Look at that. That will last all of 10 seconds. Merry Christmas, food lovers. Fancy one?
I want all of...